Alright, so this is the subframe for the Yaris. Just to show you how about this subframe is. That's all the hole. This one here, I actually cut a little bit because the bolt, it snapped. So, and there's another hole here and over there, and I give up. So at this point I said, well, you know what, this is not worth to save. So I got a new subframe from, not new, but from the Rakers. But the problem is they also have issue when they remove the subframe. So this bolt here, it just spin. The nut that's welded into the frame, it's already let go. So now you're just spinning like that. So the problem now, to fix this, I gotta have to cut here, cut over here, and see if I can hold the nut there or weld it back again. So that's what I'm going to do. The rest is okay. As you can see, this subframe is way better than what I have, and way better than this one. So yeah, so that's the plan. So we'll see. All right, so I use the cut off wheel to cut this part here. So should be able to try this out. There you go. See our spinning nut. Is it the nut or oh yeah, there's this is gone. Nut is gone, means I have to cut more. I literally have to cut more here. Shit. Okay, so what happened, I cut the control arm. Cut the control arm out, so I have a space here or away. So I cut now the bottom. So let's see. So that's what it looked like. Okay, so here we are. So that's pretty much what happened right there. So the nut, it has a cage to hold it, but the cage is gone. It's let go. That's why it's just spinning. So I guess this is a good news. I thought it was the nut is completely chewed up by the rust, but at this point we can actually remove this. So all you have to do is just maybe weld the bolt and back bend this cage back, and then should be able to remove the bolts. So yeah, let's do it. All right, so finally got it out. Right, so good thing that it comes out. Let's see. There you go. Stupid. So now I'm going to do is put this back properly and I might be welding the bolt or the nut for the just to make sure. So yeah, thank you for watching. If this video do any help, please consider to subscribe, share, and like. See you next video.